Welcome to Interact's training video on creating emails with Interact's email marketing software. To create a new email campaign, we'll click on Email Campaigns, Create an Email Campaign. We'll give the email campaign a name, select a template from the list and then click Next. As you can see now, the email campaign template is now populated inside the email editor. What I can do is I can actually resize the editor window just using this little tab at the bottom of the email campaign editor. I'm going to do that to make it a bit easier for you to see. So you can see within the email campaign editor that there are a number of different elements and layouts that we've put in there for you. Images have been given a specific size in order that you can save images to the correct height and width for each specific area within the email. That's quite important so that the emails will display correctly, so that images actually will display correctly, and also so that you're not uploading images that are enormous and will slow down the email client of the recipient and possibly upset them. So as you can see, we've got an opening paragraph with an image at the bottom, another full width paragraph, a double content block there where you've got heading, image and text at the bottom, and various other different layout types within the email that you can use. Some of these you can delete and some of these you can actually duplicate in order to achieve the layout that you're looking for. In order to delete a specific set of content, what we would do is we would select the content that we want to delete and then just simply click delete. As you can see, there used to be an article here which has now been deleted. If we'd like to duplicate some content, we simply select what we'd like to duplicate. You can choose copy by holding Control and hitting the C key on the keyboard. Then we'll hit return here just to bring the cursor down here. So this is where we'd like to paste the content, and hit Control V to paste the content. If we would like to do the same, but we would like to have copied that image, the 534 by 216 image, we select those three elements. I'm going to copy all those again. Now I'm going to find an area I'd like to paste that to, so I'm going to paste it in here, and I'm going to click Control V, and there it is. That's the original, and that's the new content that we've just copied in there. To upload an image, it's important to, as I said earlier, insert images of the correct size. This image is 259 pixels wide by 114 high. This one 210 by 140, and so on and so forth. What we're going to do is we're going to replace this image with an image that I have made earlier. What we do is we click the image insert / edit image icon here. It's a little tree. Then we can browse for that image, find that image. Here's one I created earlier. As you can see, it's 259 by 114. That's just the file name that I gave it, but I did actually create that image. We can see the preview of it there, and we click update, and there it is. The image has actually been saved into our campaign. Obviously, to update the heading, we can put some new text in. One of the important things with regards to building an email campaign is copying and pasting content into the campaign. editor. So I know that some of you need to use Microsoft Word, so here's Microsoft Word. Here's some copy we've got. We're just going to select that and copy it. If we'd like to put that into our email campaign, we need to select an area we'd like to insert it. So I'm going to just select this word here. I'll click paste from Word, Control V to paste into there, and then click insert. And you'll see that has now been put in correctly with the correct styling. Again, you cannot copy and paste directly into an email campaign from Microsoft Word, or you will break it. You have to use the copy and paste from Word functionality that's built in. So here it is here. You can see it's kept some of the styling, which is the underline and the italic, and also the bold, which we can remove and update. In terms of cutting and pasting into an email from an external application, it's usually best to use Notepad. So what I've done is I've got some Notepad's text here that I have prepared earlier. So what we do is we just select the text we'd like to copy and paste into the email. So I've now Control C or Command C for Mac. Now I select the paragraph. It's usually best to just select one sentence, and then Control V to paste it in, and as you can see, it's pasted in perfectly. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching. In terms of associated videos, you can watch our video on editing images using PixLR, and also another video on the image manager where you can manage all of your images for your email marketing campaigns. Thanks again.